Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are having a rectangle ABCD with side BC is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 9 centimeter, and a point E on AB is such a way that AE is equal to EF and F is at point F we are having 90-degree angle. We have to find the area of AEFB, this blue region. This is very much clear that the area of ADB will be exactly equal to the area of DCB because this is the diagonal of the rectangle. So that somehow we can find the area of total area of this region ADB, which is nothing but equal to DCB. The area of, hence we can say area of DBC, which is equal to 9 into 12 by 2, because this is 12, this is 9, height into base by 2, this is 54 SQCM. This will nothing but will be also the area of ADB, triangle ADB. This is to be notable. From this area 54 square centimeter, we have to deduct the area of this region. This area is to be subtracted from that 54. Somehow we have to find now the area of triangle EFD. Area of triangle EFD is equal to what? Now, let us see. Because we are given AE is equal to EF. Okay? This is 90. This is also 90. In this triangle, EFB and EAB, this AE is equal to EF. This is 90. And because this is 12, then this is also 12. And this is very much common. This arm is equal to this arm. This is very much common. This angle is equal to this angle. It means we are having congruent. They all are congruent triangle. It is very much common. It means this arm AB will be equal to FB. It means it will be equal to FB. FB is equal to what? 12 centimeter. Okay. This is 12 centimeter. Now what is about DF? First of all, let us apply the Pythagoras theorem in order to find the whole length of DB in this triangle. DCB. In triangle DCB, DB square, this will be equal to BC square plus DC square. Correct? BC square is equal to 9 square is equal to 81. DC is equal to 12 square is 144. Adding this, we will get a 5, 2, 2. It means DB will be equal to 15. Root of 225 is equal to 15. It means DB is equal to 15, but out of which DF is 12, it means this will remain equal to 3 centimeters. It means DF, which is equal to DB minus FB, that will be 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 centimeters. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now let us compare this triangle. This is small triangle EFD and EFB. This is 90, this is 90. And they both are having the same height. They both triangle AEFB and triangle EFD. Both are having same height. Both are having same height. It means the area will be in the ratio of their bases. Okay? It means this area the ratio of the area will be on the depends on their base. So that we can say A1 if the area of the small angle of small triangle small A1. A is the area of the small triangle. If 3A will be the area of the small angle, it means 12A will be the area of the bigger triangle, bigger one. It is. I am going to clear it again because these two triangles are on the same base, though the size of bases are not same, even the height is same. That is the ratio between their areas will be in the ratio of their bases. The ratio of bases is 3 is to 1 is to 4 or 3 is to 12. So if we consider this area is equal to 3A, this will be 12A. Okay. Now the area of this triangle is 12A. Let us write with black color so that it will be very much clear to you. I am going to write it. The area of this is if 3A, then this will be 12A. And because these two triangles are just similar, EFB and EAB, the area of this triangle will also be 12 times A. Correct? It means total area ADB, which is actually equal to 54, will be the addition of all these three. 3A plus 12A plus 12A is equal to 54. Okay? Hence, 3A plus 12A plus 12A will be equal to 54. From here, we'll get the value of A. A is equal to what? 27A is equal to 54. Or we can say A is equal to 2 SQCM. Single A is equal to 2 SQCM. Single A is equal to SQCM. It means we have to find the area of this region. This, which is equal to 24A. Hence the shaded area will be equal to 24 times of A. Okay? Area of blue shaded region, area of blue shaded region is equal to 24 into A, that is 48 XQCM. 48 square centimeter. This will be the answer. This answer is area of blue region will be 24 times 8 is equal to 24 into 2, that is 48 SQCM. This is the answer. Clear? Welcome to my channel always. Remain in touch with me. Keep enjoying my videos and don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. This type of the competitive questions are generally asked in different types of the competitions like CAT, ZET, math. You can have the practice of that. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Give me the comment also. Okay? Thank you. Comment is very necessary.